If you think Xi'an is just about dusty statues and old museums, you're missing the most electric city in China. We're going beyond the terracotta warriors to show you why this 3,000-year-old capital is actually a cyberpunk dream in 2026. Here is a 2026 update many travelers miss. Xi'an is now a prime destination for the 144-hour visa-free transit. You can literally fly in from Seoul or Tokyo and experience all of this without a complex visa process. But here's my insider secret. The best way to see the city isn't by bus. It's by cycling the 14-kilometer city wall at sunset. As the lights flicker on, you see the modern skyscrapers on one side and the traditional pagodas on the other. It's the ultimate architectural clash that defines modern China. Forget the main tourist street of the Muslim Quarter. We're heading 3 alleys deeper to a spot with no English sign where the same family has been hand-pulling Biangbiang noodles for 4 generations. Can you hear that? That's the sound of 3,000 years of culinary history hitting the table. It's spicy, it's numbing, and it costs less than a cup of coffee in London. This isn't just a meal, it's the literal flavor of the Silk Road. As night falls, Xi'an transforms into a living fantasy where 7th century poetry meets a cyberpunk dream. The Grand Tang Mall is 2 kilometers of pure magic. It's free, it's safe, and it's a vibe you simply have to feel to believe. If you're ready to experience the real China beyond the tourist traps, hit subscribe. Don't just travel, explore deeper.